Although the traditional shape remains, your feet appear soft and substantial due to the gorgeous blend of sand beige, sage green, and cream white. A superior blend of breathability and durability is offered by the upper's premium leather and mesh construction. Subtly colored in sage green, the heel counter and mudguard are unique. The shoe's understated style, which represents the line separating the city and the natural world, complements regular attire while still making a statement. The midsole's visible air unit guarantees a comfortable fit while symbolizing the brand's technological advancement. The sleek appearance is further enhanced by the side swoosh's beautiful metallic silver finish. The brown outsole and the smoky tone top make the ideal contrast. The shoe's color choice gives it a timeless appeal by fusing modern and classic elements. A subtle statement is made without detracting from the overall tonal balance thanks to the Nike Air emblem on the heel, which is likewise in the same color.